Nope.
Okay. Is that yours?
Nope. Brian's.
Okay. Is this yours?
Nope.
Okay. Is this yours?
Nope.
Okay. Not right. Is this yours?
Nope.
Okay. Huh. I have to stick the sticker on.
Okay, get the laundry out first.
Is this yours?
Nope.
Okay. Is this yours?
Nope.
Okay. Is this yours?
Nope.
Yeah. I'm helping you. I'm helping. Is this yours?
Nope.
Okay. I'm helping you. There we go. Now we can put the sticker. Ah. Put the other one on. But you can just. It's too hot. Put the reason why.
No.
Why?
Because you don't get in there.
Why?
Because I'll go to jail. Alright, you all done?
Huh? Yep.
Move the basket and close the door.
Okay. Oh no! It has mercury bumps too.
Push it. Push it hard. Hard. Hard.
I know. Oh no. It has blue spots.
Mm-hmm.
Why this?
Here, open it back up. We gotta change the laundry out.
Okay.
Here you go.
Huh?
You put this in?
Okay. Is this in here?
Yep.
Okay. Thank you. Is that your pants?
Yeah.
Okay.
I should get them in there. Here, let's open this all the way up.
It's so wet. They're wet. They're wet.
Get that sock.
Okay. Is this my sock?
Yep, put it in there.
Okay. Is that my jammies?
Uh-huh.
Why?
Because you sleep in them and they get dirty. Here's a sock.
Thank you.
There's your underwear on the floor, too.
Huh? This is my underwear?
Yeah,
Why?
because you wear big girl underwear now.
Yeah, let's go tomorrow. That's my underwear too. Thank you. I don't have this one.
Alright, get all that stuff in there. Get it in there.
There.
Close up. Look, still not in there. Look, get it all in there.
What?
That one sticking out. There you go. Tuck it in.
There.
Alright, now close it hard. Ready? Slam it shut. Push hard. Yeah.
There.
Alright.
Can I press the button?
Yeah. Okay, let's do this.
Can I press the button? Please, please, please. Please,
Oh,
please.
I dropped it. Oh.
Don't let it go in the wash machine. Don't let it go in the wash machine.
First, you got to turn that to the 7. So turn it to the 7. Turn it till that line gets to the 7. So you got to turn to the left. Keep going. Keep going. There you go. Right there.
Okay.
Is that on 7? Yep, it's on 7. Now you got to push this in.
There.
Now tell mommy. Say, mommy, all done. Okay, coming.
I'm good at lights.
You know what else you're good at?
Huh?
Laundry.